All right, so it is here. Gorilla Mind came out with a new Gorilla Mind energy drink, and not just any energy drink. This is quite a specific and special formula, if I do say so myself. I'm gonna go ahead and tear this puppy open. This is our first shipment here, and we're gonna do a little unboxing, a little old-fashioned YouTube unboxing. All right, here we go. Yeah, I was wondering if it was gonna be a box within a box. It looks like I opened this the wrong way. Pull this out here. Boom. Oh, yeah, wow, this is more than I thought. I actually thought that I thought this was a pack of 8, but it is actually a pack of 12. That is awesome. Well, I'm way more excited about that. So I actually got the Arctic White flavor. Again, just to reiterate, it comes in a pack of 12, which is legit. I think for me, this was, let's see. Yeah, okay, so this was $35 and then it was $12.50 for the shipping here in Arizona. So it came out to about $48. So $48 divided by, we have 12 here. So it's about $4 an energy drink. Honestly, that's pretty damn good. That's actually really good. I mean, you'll go to the store and if you get a 12 ounce, because these are 12 ounce cans, if you get a 12 ounce energy drink, Monster, Celsius, something else at the grocery store, I mean, it's gonna be running you somewhere between $2.50, $4 anyways. So the fact that these not only do the exact same thing as that as far as caffeine, they've got better ingredients and obviously a really cool, powerful stack of nootropics. I mean, that's the thing that really sets these apart, is it's not just caffeine, it's not just zero sugar, it's the fact that these have a ton of different ingredients here. I'll actually put a list up here so you can see the ingredients of the nootropics, which is awesome because that's gonna boost your cognition, memory, focus, all of that on top of the caffeine that you're getting in there. So that's really special. I'm actually on a caffeine detox right now. So Gorilla Mind, Derek over at More Plates, More Dates, feel pretty special because I'm breaking my caffeine tolerance break to try one of these bad boys. All right, let's pop this open here, see how everything looks on the packaging. Boom. Pretty clean. Not sure if that'll focus there, but pretty damn clean packaging. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. 10 calories here. It's sweetened mainly with erythritol, it looks like, which is solid. No sugar at all. Got some vitamins there, vitamin C, B6, B12, niacin, and then pantothenic acid, which is vitamin B5. And then as far as it's called the Gorilla Mind Energy Matrix. So he actually has a breakdown of exactly what he has in here. N-acetyl L-tyrosine, 1,000 milligrams, alpha GPC 50%, 400 milligrams, 200 milligrams of caffeine, uridine 5 monophosphate, 200 milligrams, L-theanine, 100 milligrams, saffron extract, 15 milligrams, and then huperzine A, 200 micrograms. So I noticed some really cool supplements in there, nootropics, specifically the alpha GPC. I love having L-theanine in when I'm mixing it with caffeine. What's really interesting and cool is the saffron extract. So saffron has actually been shown in a few studies to be more powerful than certain antidepressant drugs. So it has a profound effect on improving your mood, which obviously can help for a number of different things, but specifically if you're sitting down and working and you want to get some work done, having that in there as well, kind of giving you a little bit of a happy, good feeling when you know you need to get some stuff done is awesome. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna check back in. It's already noon here and I have no caffeine tolerance right now, so I don't feel like ripping one of these today. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna tune back in tomorrow and I'm gonna rip this bad boy open, give you my honest thoughts of the taste after it's been nice and cooled in the fridge overnight. And then I'll go ahead and kind of break down and give you a review of how I'm feeling, how the nootropics are affecting me, and just my overall thoughts on this Gorilla Mind Energy. All right, we are back. I had this bad boy in the fridge all night long. And what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna just crack it open and we're gonna give it a taste test. Got a little steam coming out of there. Wow. Okay.
Nice.
Arctic White. All right, so immediately I'm getting orange flavor. There's a citrus. There's definitely like some citrus undertones in here. I was expecting something very similar to the white Monster, the 0 calorie, 0 sugar Monster. And it does taste like that. But like as soon as I cracked it and kind of got a smell and then went to drink it and got that flavor, it actually is a little bit of orange in there. That's good. I mean, definitely very sweet. It's coming from the sweeteners in here, the sucralose, but it's really good. That's a really, really tasty flavor. So definitely I would give it probably like a 9.5 out of 10 on flavor. That's definitely bomb. So the next thing is to just really see, how does this feel? How does this work as far as productivity, focus, clarity, memory? Because remember, this has a full nootropic stack in here. Here's one thing that I'll say, and I'm gonna circle back. I'm gonna drink this full thing and I'll circle back and let you know how I'm feeling. One thing that I will say that's a little bit like in here is the sucralose and the natural flavors. So 2 things there. We'll start with the sucralose. Sucralose has been, I mean, it's tough because it's been back and forth in kind of the literature of whether or not it's harmful to humans, whether or not it's good. There's some studies that show on humans it has no negative effects, it's not cancerous, it doesn't cause issues in the gut, whatever. Then there's been some other studies that have shown some stuff. There's been some rat studies that showed that sucralose in a significant dose was like destroying, or not destroying, but definitely had some negative side effects on the guts of like the gut lining, the gut microbiome of mice. So it's kind of, I mean, there's some other alternatives. I definitely would like to see a better sweetener in here. Monk fruit extract or like erythritol, maybe even stevia, I think would be better. Okay. So what has it been? Maybe 30 minutes or so. I've just been sipping on this and wow, I'm impressed. Honestly, I feel surprisingly good. My mood is definitely better. And again, I don't know if this is like placebo or part me just, you know, being on a caffeine tolerance break and having caffeine for the first time, or if it is the fact that this is a bunch of really good nootropics in there. I'm gonna say it's probably a little bit of a mixture of all 3 of those things, which is fine with me. I've just been filming for the last probably 20 to 30 minutes and I feel really good. My memory recall of being able to remember what I need to say for my videos has been really good. I've had actually very few errors in my videos while I'm speaking, mess ups, things like that. I've had very few, which is actually kind of common for me. So I feel really good. I'm alert, but I don't feel like cracked out or jittery, which is great because I honestly kind of thought after taking so much time off of caffeine that going back to it would make me feel weird. But there's some good stuff in there to kind of counteract that. Obviously the L-theanine, saffron in there as well, really good for that. So overall, I'm really impressed. I love the flavor. There's a couple ingredients there in that aren't really my favorite, but we're gonna let it slide because, you know, I like a lot of the other stuff that's in there. But I would give this, as far as an energy drink, for just my first initial reaction, I would give this like a 9.5 out of 10. Same as the flavor, I would say 9.5. And the reason I'm going with 9.5 is because I don't want to say that it's an absolute 10 out of 10, like this could never be improved. And you know, there is a couple things in there as far as the ingredients that I don't really like that I think could be improved. However, all else considered, it is a phenomenal energy drink that tastes really good. And so far, it has done wonders kind of on my brain, my cognition, my energy, my focus, and everything. So the intended use is currently being used and it's working properly. So I'm loving it. Go ahead and drop a comment below with whatever your favorite nootropic supplement stack is, or whatever ingredient that you like the best. And if you have tried the Gorilla Mind Energy, I want you to let me know which flavor have you tried and what flavor did you like the best. That's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for more videos like this.